So a tool that I found really useful when I was a student is online calendars. Through the university, you have the Microsoft Outlook calendar available to you, and so does every other student.
In the calendar option in Outlook, I note down everything that I need to have, all my meetings and everything, and then I have my timetable linked up to that. So I have my timetable in there, and then if I have a meeting or anything that needs done, I'll also put them in the calendar, and that just helps me make sure that I'm on track of everything.
So it's really convenient when you're doing a group project to use that calendar and those resources to arrange your meetings. And also, if you have multiple group projects going on and you're all using Microsoft Calendar, you know that you're not going to clash with anything else that you want to be doing because it's all there laid out for you on the calendar.
The good thing about having Outlook notifications on is that 15 minutes before the meeting begins, you'll get a reminder for it. To stay focused while studying at my desk, I'll use the Flora app. This allows you to set a timer for a plant to grow. This may sound off topic, but the longer you stay off your phone, the taller the plant will grow. There are multiple versions of this app. I recommend Flora or Forest.
In order to stop procrastinating, most frequently I just had to make use of Do Not Disturb on my phone. If your phone is sat next to you, there's the temptation there, and then if your phone buzzes, that's even bigger of a temptation to pick it up, and then you might fall down a rabbit hole of wasting 15-20 minutes of your time. So if you put your phone on Do Not Disturb, which you can set up to allow certain messages or certain phone calls through if you're worried about an emergency, and so if you get into the zone of writing an essay or working on a presentation, it's not going to buzz and knock you out of that frame of mind that you need to be in. And I find that was really valuable when I was working on essays, to turn my phone to Do Not Disturb. I could still use it for Spotify, I could still use it for listening to stuff, but it wouldn't be as large of a distraction as it would have been otherwise.
I use a virtual post-it note app to keep track of all the tasks I've got to do. Once they're started, I'll change it to orange, and then once they're completed, I'll change it to green. Once the task is submitted, I'll then cross it out.